Hello everyone. Are you happy to see me back on Fitness Corridor? I am Anvesha and today I'll be explaining how to do Surya Namaskar in the right way and the benefit of each pose. Are you struggling to lose weight? If so, did you know that Surya Namaskar is one of the most effective ways to lose weight? Because just one round burns 13.9 calories and 6 round burns 85 calories. So 12 round, which takes around half an hour, burns almost 170 calories. In comparison, half an hour of walking burns 150 calories and half an hour of weightlifting burns 112 calories. And the best part, you don't even need any equipment except your mat. And you don't even need much space. Like in walking, you need a little bit of space to walk, right? And in weightlifting, of course, you need weights. And also, each pose in the Surya Namaskar has a counter pose. So, in short, Surya Namaskar is a whole body workout. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started.
The first asana in Surya Namaskar is Pranamasana. Stand upright with feet close together at the top of your mat. Take a deep breath and notice your chest expand. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring hands in Namaskar in front of your chest. This asana helps in calming down the body and mind and relaxes the nervous system. इस आसन से आपका पोस्चर सुधरता है और शरीर और दिमाग में स्थिरता का अनुभव होता है. From Pranam Asana, move to Hastotthana pose. Join hands together, lift your arms up while slightly bending backwards. Push your hip forward and stretch back, lengthening the spine. Keep biceps close to ears while standing and stretch whole body up from the heels. The benefits are that it stretches the chest and abdomen. Energy flows from the lower part to the upper part of the body. इस आसन से पीठ के दर्द से राहत मिलती है. लंबी सांस लेने से फेफड़ों को मजबूती मिलती है. Exhale and bend forward into Padhastasana, keeping your spine long and hands going towards your legs. Bring the crown of the head towards the ground. Remember to fold from the hips, bringing belly towards the thighs. This asana stretches hamstring, cures headache, stress and anxiety. ये आसन हृदय संबंधित बीमारियों के लिए लाभदायक है. Next is Aswasanchalan pose. Bend your knees, keep your hands on the ground, take your right leg behind and place your right knee on the ground. Lift your chest up into the pose and don't forget to keep your knee over the ankle. This is like a galloping horse pose. It opens the hip flexors. ये आसन शरीर में लचीलापन लाता है और कमर दर्द से बचाता है. Next comes Dandasana or high plank pose. Bring left leg behind. Keep hands under shoulders and body parallel to the ground. Keep whole body in one straight line. Hold breath and balance. This gives a strong core and good posture. दंडासन हाथ और पैरों को शक्तिशाली तथा छाती को चौड़ी व पेट को मजबूत बनाता है. Exhale and bring your knees, chest and chin down into Ashtanga Namaskar, keeping your hips up. This is a 8-limbed pose. Body is balanced with 8 points of contact. Our 2 hands, the knees, our feet, the chest and our chin. This pose increases strength of arms, abdomen, knees and chest. इस आसन से पेट की चर्बी कम होगी और हाथ मजबूत होंगे। Slide forward and inhale into Bhujangasana, raising the upper body. Rest your legs and abdomen on the ground, keeping palms close to the chest, elbows close to the body. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. The benefits of this asana are that it stretches the shoulders, back and chest. भुजंगासन से रीढ़ की हड्डी मजबूत होती है और थकान दूर होती है। And exhale into Parvatasana. Place hands down and lift hips up to form an inverted V. Straighten elbows and knees, keeping your heels down. This asana gives strong arms and legs. इस आसन से कंधों को मजबूती मिलती है और इसको करने से कमर, कंधा और गर्दन दर्द ठीक किया जा सकता है। Now take your right leg in front, keeping your left knee down, and inhale into Ashwasanchalan. Take your left leg in front and into Padhastasana. Inhale into Hastothana. Exhale into Pranamasana.
Now, since we have finished our Surya Namaskar on the right side, let's do it on the left side, but this time with breath.
Joining your hands in Namaskar Asana. Exhale. Inhale into Hastothana. Exhale into Padhastasana. Taking your left leg behind, inhale into Ashwasanchalan. Hold breath, Dandasana. Knees down, chest down and chin down. Exhale into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale into Bhujangasana. And exhale into Parvatasana. Inhale into Ashwasanchalan. Exhale into Padhastasana. Inhale into Hastothana. And exhale into Namaskarasana.
So always do Surya Namaskar with the correct alignment and breath. And every time you do it, try to increase the number from 2 to 6 to 12 as per your comfort. This can not only be done by adults, it can be done by any age people. It can be done by children, old people. It is beneficial for all. And once you do Surya Namaskar, you are in a happy state of the mind. So tell me how you like this video. Like, share and comment on this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and press the bell icon to receive a notification every time Fitness Corridor posts a new video. Stay inspired, stay fit, stay safe. See you back soon. Namaste.